Hey guys, what's up? It's move-in day and it's currently 3:30 a.m. It might be kind of loud because my fans are on, but I'm just taking some last minute things downstairs to the car and then we're gonna be on our way. It's really early, so I have to be kind of quiet because of my family. I'm super excited. I'm ready to see my friends. I couldn't sleep that much. Fell asleep at like 8 and slept until 12. We're in the car now. Hi. And there's so much stuff. Barely see out of the back window. Can't move, can't put the seat back. Are you excited?
I'm excited for a 10-hour drive.
I'm excited. Belle and Olivia are gonna be there. I'm excited. Our apartment. So my room is literally this one. The first one.
Well, that's good, so we don't have to go up too many steps.
I don't know which key it is.
The stuff.
Not that one. Not that one. I think I had the right key. Here's my room.
Right?
Wow, they set it up so different. Oh, your room smells so good. Hello, roomie.
This is where I'm gonna put my TV.
Oh, that's so cute. I like this.
Thanks. There's more that's gonna go up there too. It's not just a show.
Wow.
Oh yeah, look how cute. Yeah.
Got everything into the room.
Mommy's sampling the
Nice. Nice, nice. My TV is there. I don't know if I want to keep it this way, but I probably will for right now.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Roomy.
Yeah, I want to set up my bed.
Yeah, I think it should be wiped down. I have
Update on the room. My closet is huge. Perfect for me and all of my things. All of my bins filled with clothes. Our apartment is 3 stories of fun. Hello again.
We just ate at Chick-fil-A and it was delicious as usual.
I went to the dollar store and got a bunch of extra things for bathroom, cleaner, all that.
$30 worth of cleaning supplies, and Brianna will be busy cleaning this semester in her spare time.
Yeah. Now we're gonna go to Walmart and buy food because that's essential for living.
Starting route to Walmart Supercenter.
Oh yeah, got the goods. Okay, so I'm back in my room. We set up this, I don't know if I showed that, but we set up most of the bathroom. There's a mat, but my room has not been done yet because I'm lazy. I'm so excited. I love my room. Hopefully I'm gonna finish decorating my stuff like tomorrow. I'm not in a rush. School doesn't start until September and it's August, so I'm just cleaning my bed right now with this wipe. You can even tell. I have this like gel comforter pad thing. What? Why Why does it look like that? What the? It's like deformed. I think we have a problem here. It's literally not sitting down. What? How do I fix this? Okay, nice. This is still messed up, but I kind of fixed it. I don't know if I recorded that. I plan things out in my head, and then once it actually comes to life, it doesn't look as good as you think it does. And I think that's what's gonna happen here. No. 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 I have this balancing on the door handle. Time for the main part. All of these bins are filled with my winter clothes. This bin, and that just has random junk, and I'm pretty sure there's laundry in there. And then inside the closet, there's more winter clothes in this duffel bag. Organize all of these clothes, set up some more of my room, and then I'll be done, maybe. I don't know. I'm probably gonna finish it up tomorrow because I just want to relax today since I barely got any sleep last night. I have so much time to do this. Hey guys, what's up? It's actually like 2 days later because I just dropped my mom off at the airport and I still haven't finished doing my room. I changed some things around, which I'll show you, but I haven't put anything up on the walls or put all of my clothes away because that's a lot of clothes. Still there. I made my bed, then my bedside table, and then I moved my desk from here to there. So there it is, and my TV's over here, which I forgot all of the cords too. So woo! And then over here, I got this gigantic mirror from Walmart. I wanted one so bad. And it's huge, like gigantic. And then here's all my bins filled with clothes and just junk that I need to sort out. Oh yeah, and here's the bathroom. I think I showed this already, but I'll just show it again. So I just organized where my makeup, it's definitely not how I want it to be. Shower curtain up. Yeah, I have my own bathroom, so it's really nice. We all have our own bathroom. This apartment has 5 bathrooms for 4 people, so seems a little extra to me. I'm just gonna go through all of these clothes right now. I definitely brought too much since it's really cold here right now. I mean, cold relative to New Jersey. At nights it'll be like 60. Today to a high of 72 or something. Yeah, I wore a sweatshirt today. Also, my closet is an extreme mess. So this is a before, and hopefully I'll get an after. Okay, so now I'm gonna hang up my posters. I have these in my dorm hall, but it's just a small one and a big one. I also decided that I'm going to buy a tapestry, and I found this really pretty one on Amazon that I'm gonna get, and I'm gonna put it above my bed. I think I'm gonna do it that end. I don't know how to describe it, but there. And then I'm gonna put the posters on this wall. Okay, so I was gonna use this double-sided tape, but it turns out that I've used up most of it. I'm just trying to figure out how it's going to look. I'm not sure. I ended up putting up these 2 paintings, posters, whatever. And I really like how that looks. And then hopefully when I get my tapestry, it'll look good all together. I was kind of hating it before. All of my colors and stuff. I need some second opinions. So it's actually hours later from that last video that I took. But after a long amount of time, I finally finished my room. Well, to an extent, like I really haven't finished it. I still have to do some more organizing, especially in this closet, but yeah, I don't really want to show that because I've kind of just stuffed things all over the place. What I was saying is I've basically gotten everything situated, but there's still things I need to do. Like I need to get more hangers, and I also need to get the tapestry up here. My room is far from being actually finished, so I don't know if anybody actually wants to see the finished product like in a room tour or something, but if you do, then let me know. But here's my room. So I'm I'm pretty sure that's it for moving in. It took me 2 days to kind of complete the move-in when it should just be a day. I wanted to show as much as I could of me moving in. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I know you want to, so please do it. It would mean the world to me. Make sure you check out my other videos, and I will see you in my next video.